But today I'm going to show you 5 foods that can literally rebuild your skin from the inside out. No needles, no $200 creams, just everyday foods with science-backed superpowers. All right, so first up we have bone broth. Imagine your skin as a gorgeous, tightly woven fabric. Wrinkles are just areas where kind of the threads have thinned, and bone broth releases collagen peptides. Brand new threads your body can weave right back into your skin. Here's something many women 50 plus notice even faster than the skin benefits is the joint relief. So bone broth is a naturally rich in gelatin, glucosamine, some other things, hyaluronic acid, the same expensive ingredients you find in joint support supplements. So when bones simmer for hours, these nutrients melt into the broth, giving your joints the lubrication and the cushion that they desperately need in midlife. You can drink it straight or toss it into soups, and you will feel this one inside and out. I don't love the taste of it. Like, I don't sit and drink, a coffee mug of it. I kind of mask it and I make a soup. It kind of lasts me a week, and I'll have trying to do a bowl a day. So, and I'll put the recipe link below for you for the bone broth soup that I make. So next up, we have citrus. Lemons, limes, oranges. If bone broth gives your skin that gorgeous thread, vitamin C is like the master stitcher, pulling it all together. Your body needs it to actually use that collagen. And here's the magic. Vitamin C boosts collagen production. It brightens dull or uneven skin. That happens a lot. We're in our 50s and 60s. It protects against daily damage, and it even helps your skin repair itself. It's like having a tiny repair crew, I guess, working around the clock for you. I've always been big on citrus, lemon in my water, orange slices in my salad, a squeeze of lime over my salmon. And every time I bump it up, even just a bit, my skin responds almost instantly. Brighter, fresher, just better. And honestly, the orange gives you more than a full day of vitamin C. So it's an easy win. All right, so number 3 is berries. Let's talk about your skin's own little protection squad. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, basically anything dark, juicy, and a little dramatic. These are tiny powerhouses. They're packed with antioxidants. Just think of them like they work like a force field around your collagen. So they help guard your skin from UV exposure, pollution, and all those sneaky everyday stressors that speed up aging, even, before we notice, right? I think of this as my kind of insurance policy breakfast. 1 cup a day of fresh frozen berries, and of course in my yogurt, my shake, and all of that good stuff. And it just keeps my skin healthy and glowing. I do have an amazing protein shake recipe for you. Once again, I'll put the link below. It's completely free, and you can be happy to pass that along to you. Number 4 is, here's the one that almost everyone sleeps on, and that's leafy greens: spinach, kale, Swiss chard. The overachievers that are kind of hiding in the back of our fridge. So once we hit 50, our collagen production naturally slows down, right? And that's when these greens become absolute gold. They're like hiring a pattern maker for your skin, the person who sketches the blueprint before anything beautiful can get built. And that's what chlorophyll does. It helps to stimulate pro-collagen. And think of it as the actual template your body uses to create fresh new collagen. And when skin's feeling thinner, duller, and even a little more fragile than it used to, this extra support can go a long way. If you're not a greens person, which I'm not really actually, but I sneak them into my scrambled eggs, my pasta, my soups, my smoothies, and you really just don't even taste them. But trust me, your skin will absolutely notice. Once again, I have links below for you for my protein smoothies, as well as my chicken broth soup. All right, so finally, garlic. That's number 5. It's the unsung hero that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, minding its business. Here's the thing that nobody tells us. The body has these little enzymes whose full-time job is to break down collagen. So while we're out here working hard to build it up, these little enzymes are in the background, slowly kind of unraveling the fabric of our skin, so to speak. Enter garlic. Its sulfur compounds step in like a security guard who finally shows up and says, absolutely not. They shut down those collagen-eating enzymes and protect what you've already built, so your results actually last. And the best part, you don't have to do anything fancy really. You just crush it, saute it, toss it into soup, sauces, veggies. It still works. It's that simple. So it's an everyday ingredient that quietly keeps you glowing. All right, so I'm going to leave you with a little challenge. Pick one of these foods and add it to your day, just one. Then sprinkle in more throughout the week and watch what happens. Your skin will tell you the truth before the mirror does. And if you want simple, affordable, science-backed ways to rebuild your skin from the inside out, grab my Midlife Skin Rescue ebook below. It's the exact guide I wish someone had handed me when I hit 50. The shortcuts, the whys, the how, all laid out. I also dropped in my daily protein shake recipe in the description below. It's quick, it's inexpensive, and honestly, it's one of the easiest anti-aging wins. You can start right now. If today's video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants healthier, stronger skin. And remember, what you eat is still the most powerful skincare you'll ever use. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.